Ortho Weed Begone Max versus the Spectracide Weed Stop, the Weed Killer Showdown.
So weeds are basically the bane of my existence. Pulling weeds, it completely sucks. So basically, I wanted to do this side-by-side comparison to see exactly which one of these products would work the best, so that I could so I can get the weeds to stop spreading. See, the problem with the weeds is this crabgrass stuff here, daffodils and stuff isn't as big of a problem, but honestly, the crabgrass is the worst of all. What it does is it basically, hang on, check this thing out right here. The daffodil. Yeah, that dang thing. Yeah, see those right there, those aren't that bad. But see, the crabgrass is the worst because it drills tunnels through the plants and it just completely destroys the plants. And honestly, I need some sort of, chemical to combat it because I can't seem to get it to stop growing. It spreads, it destroys all the plants around it and everything. If you look over here, hang on, I'm about to turn the camera here. See these dang things? Those are where the ice plants are. But see, this is where the crabgrass went through the ice plants, and basically it completely destroyed them. See, this area was where where the ice plants were just beautiful there, and the crabgrass is completely just spread and just taken everything out around it, And what I want to do basically is I want to do a side-by-side comparison of two different chemicals: Ortho Weed Begone versus the Spectracide. These two right here. The Spectracide claims to be, the weed stop here claims to be the crabgrass killer. And then the other one, the Ortho, is, the classic. In the left corner, we have the Ortho Weed Begone. And in the right corner, we have the Spectracide Weed Stop, the crabgrass killer. The battle of the ages. This is basically the area right here, the Colosseum, if you will, the arena. The Ortho on the left, the Spectracide on the right. Who will win?
Day 1 man.
Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is I'm applying the Spectracide on the right side. And then I'm going to apply the Ortho on the left. Basically what you do is now see, that's one thing the Spectracide gets points on. See, you attach the hose to the back of this spray nozzle thing, and it just sprays the chemical. And that is an added feature that I really do enjoy. The Ortho, the bottle I got at least, does not come with that feature. Spraying the chemicals. Spraying the chemicals. Good job. And then right here, this is the spray bottle I used to put the Ortho in to spray the left side. Fantastic. Very nice. And good job. Day 5. Now, if you notice, on the left side, the Ortho's totally working. It's doing what the product says it's going to do. The crabgrass is completely dying. On the right side here, the Spectracide, not doing anything. The crabgrass is still green. At day 5. Spectracide bad. Ortho good. Day 10. Now this is where you really start seeing the difference. The Spectracide here is still green at day 10. The Ortho completely yellow, completely dying, product totally working. Okay, well I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this crabgrass real quick. I've been practicing magic lately. Let's see if I've improved at all. Hang on. Well, that was nifty. Well, there we have it, folks. The Ortho's the winner. It's been quite an adventure. We've shared some laughs. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. And please, like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more Chops' product reviews as soon as I can. Thank you.